Amazon says that you'll be able to list your product in under 60 seconds. For the condition of the product, you want to put like new, because I read it once and it is a new condition. It's just used. For photos, you can list up to 6 pictures in an Amazon listing. Quantity of 1, and the price you want to set is $7.99 plus $3.99 standard shipping. And finally, for your shipping policy, you want to tell Amazon that you want to ship this item yourself to the customer if it sells. And for the second example, a Seagate GoFlex free agent external hard drive. And again, you'll be able to list this product in under 60 seconds with Amazon. Condition, you want to put like new. Photos, again, you can list up to 6 photos using Amazon. Quantity of 1. The price you want to set is $85 plus $3.99 with standard shipping. Tell Amazon that you want to ship the product yourself to the customer if it sells.